Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 18th of June, blessing Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Alright guys, let's dig into this system and let's see how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the straight EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD trade. All right, so EURUSD, if you look at the 4 hour, as explained to you yesterday, guys, we were short since the FOMC meeting. You can see here from yesterday, I showed you from here to here, beautiful pips. Today, I'm going to show you how I analyze from here to here in 4 hour. Today, we were also short on EURUSD. And most of the traders banked beautiful pips. We had amazing volatility today, guys. All right, it's in one direction, so easy to make pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. As I said to my traders, every time when the price break the major structure, so we just follow the momentum and the trend. And if you look at, this is the analysis I did for the Asian session. As you can see here, another breakout trade, and that's what I explained to trader based on the momentum. We had another beautiful short trade here. You can see from here to here, another beautiful short trade, bank beautiful pips. And this is the London morning analysis. You can see here we bank some profit, and I explained to trader, look, if the price is going to break the previous low, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. Otherwise, there's a still possibility price might going to reverse and counter opportunity. As you can see here, price nicely respected the previous high, previous low, and then we have a beautiful breakout counter log opportunity, which we technically came out at the break even because we seen the price could not break this level, and we came out at the break even. But we had amazing trades later on, guys. Let me share with you guys. You can see here, this is another, once I realize the price is going to respect the previous high, which I explained to my trader, look for this one as a pullback. But the safest way for us, if the price is going to break this level, then we thinking counter long trade. Otherwise, if the price gonna break the recent low, then we're taking a short trade. It means the price want to continue short today. As you can see here, price develop a triple top. That's good sign for us. And as soon as the price broke on this previous low, as mentioned, based on the analysis, we had an amazing, beautiful short trade here. Afterwards, another breakout, breakout and pullback. So beautiful trade. And at the New York session, I just basically updated this analysis. You can see here, we had this breakout based on the previous analysis, bank some pips. And then I explained to trader, look for another short trade. And I explained to trader, the pullback is performing it. We can enjoy another short trade here. As you can see here, beautiful short trade here. And afterwards, every pullback we announced through live audio commentary, and we keep pipping whole day today. We had a really amazing trades, guys, today. So you can see here, we were short on EURUSD from here to here. We banked beautiful pips on EURUSD. All right, let me share with you the pound dollar, guys. So pound dollar, we had interesting trades. If you look at the pound dollar, and if you look at the 4 hour, as I mentioned yesterday, from here to here we were short. Today we are from here to here, we were short until the price hit 138,000. We were short whole day, banking beautiful pips. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market based on the 4 hour momentum in intraday. You can see here we were amazing shorts here. And let me share with you the intraday analysis. Today, the trader bank amazing pips. They will keep enjoying it. Pipping days today. All right. So if you look at, this is the analysis I did at the New York, the Asian session analysis. I explained to trader, look for if the price gonna come out from this triangle pattern or previous high or previous low, then consider trade. As you can see here, price nicely respected and develop a double top at this level, and beautiful breakout. And afterwards, if the price break, we had in the morning, there was another news for the cable around 7 a.m. London time. That was negative for the cable, and that's basically drive beautiful on the breakout short trade. which we announced. As soon as the price hit to the green fib channel, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And I also updated that analysis instantly in the London morning session. I explained to trader we already had this big beautiful pips. If you guys have missed it, don't jump in middle of the trade, look for another pullback. You can see here, once we bank some profit here, another beautiful, based on this analysis, we had another beautiful trade. As soon as the price hit this level, which is, I can explain to trader, you can see here, this is the high, price develop a double bottom here. As soon as the price hit this level, explain to trader either you can tighten your stop loss or bank some profit. There's still possibilities price might going to reverse, as we bank some beautiful pips and price nicely reverse after that. You can see here. Then I also did analysis here and I explained to my trader majority should be looking for the short trade here because we have very strong bearish trend in 4 hours. So you can see here we have another wedge breakout. Technically we have this breakout, but as soon as the price developed double top here, that's what I explained to trader, look for the previous low broken, take a short trade here and keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit to the green fib channel, based on this analysis, I said to my trader some bank some profit. But I also updated analysis when the price was at this level. You can see here, this is pure price action. Let me share with you guys. And this is the, once we bank some profit here, as soon as the price reversing it, because I keep updating my analysis, helping my traders, giving them motivation, keep banking some pips. We had amazing trades. When the market give opportunity, we try to maximize the opportunities. As you can see here, we have another beautiful pullback, and afterwards I just said to my trader, guys, just keep taking a pullback based on the momentum. And we have a very, you can see here, price nicely respected. Once we see in 4 hour, you can see here this candle is a bearish engulfing candle. That's the good sign for reversal. Overall, you can see a fundamental also support, technical also support, bank beautiful short trade. And as soon as the price hit 138,000 level, and that's the level which I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar. All right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. We had amazing trades in dollar CAD too. All right, so let's dig into the 4 hour. As you can see, yesterday we were long from here, and we had amazing trades. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link is given in the video description. Today we were long. As you look at here, this candle, this is bullish engulfing candle, price nicely respected, and that's what we explained to trader, guys, just keep taking pullback. And we really enjoyed it from here to here. I'm going to show you how many analysis I did as intraday. And if you look at the intraday analysis, let me share with you guys. And if you look at the, this is the analysis, let me share with you. Okay, this is the analysis I did. Let me share, where is this analysis? Okay, yeah, that's the analysis. This is the analysis I did last night for the Asian session traders, and we have this beautiful breakout. As you can see, pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, guys, bank some profit, look for another pullback. That's what we had, a beautiful. And at the New York session today, we had a consolidation here. As soon as the price broke on the previous high, I explained to trader, look for this pullback, and if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, we should be keep taking pullback long trade here. And then I explained to trader, guys, we have previous price action, bullish engulfing candle, beautiful, and you can see here pullback, pullback, pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, you can see here 124,000, 124,400 level, which is a big psychological number. That's what I explained to trader, it's time to consider banking some pips. You can see from here to here, we had an amazing trade. We have this trade from last night, today morning, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. So you can see there was amazing pips today, guys. Most of the traders bank amazing profit. All right, guys, as you can see here, we had an amazing week this week. Most of the traders bank around about 800 to 900 pips taking a pullback. So if you look at any trades, if you open it, like if you talk about the dollar Swiss franc, you can see here pullback. And if you look at the pound yen trade, we had amazing trades as well. You can see here this was the breakout, and that's what I explained to trader. Look for another, and I already explained to my trader, this is the bearish flag pattern, look for this one. So you can see here from here to here, 70-80 pips, beautiful trade on pound yen. If you look, even if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here beautiful, beautiful bearish momentum and the trend in pound yen. We had amazing trades on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. If you look at here, beautiful short trade. And if I show you here all the intraday analysis, I can keep showing you whole day. You can see here pullback short trade here, symmetric triangle pattern breakout, pullback short trade here. This one again, pullback, beautiful. So we just keep taking a pullbacks because we had an amazing volatility today, guys. I hope, guys, you're enjoying all this analysis and details. The most important thing is, an interesting thing is, if you're going to watch all that analysis in the real time, and then you're going to be banking pips in real time, and you can developing your trading skills in real time. That's the interesting part. That's what I said to you guys. My major objectives to train trader and help the traders through live intraday analysis. Once the trader develop their trading skill, I can also open door for them to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train through this platform in real time, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so feel free, guys. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action. Mainly we watch on 4-hour, and we have our own intraday system, as you have seen, give us tremendous beautiful pips every single day. And I'm pretty sure, guys, you're gonna love enjoying pipping alongside with my professional trader. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.